Good morning. Can I write off purchase price of rental property? Well, property you purchase just to produce income, like an investment property or a rental property, doesn't qualify for Section 179 property if the rental property is not your business. So if you are not in the business of renting properties, if it's not a trade, because by default rental property or rental real estate is an investment, it's not a trade. So there is some regulations you have to meet to consider a rental property, rental real estate as a business, an active business. Otherwise, is by default is considered a passive activity. But there is a number of hours you have to work in your business and for your rental properties to consider that as a business, an active business activities. Otherwise, Section 179 property does not qualify for your investment or your passive business activity. So therefore, you cannot write it off. If you have a rental property and you purchase a rental property to rent out, you cannot write off the purchase price using Section 179 property. Also, property you collect royalties on does not qualify for Section 179. Although it's not a rental property, I'll mention it here as like intangible properties that needs to be amortized. They don't qualify for Section 179 deduction. So the maximum in 2020, the maximum varies, but in 2020, the maximum Section 179 that you could claim is 1,040,000. So that's the maximum you could claim on your business assets you use in your business in 2020. If you use Section 179, the maximum you could claim is $1,040,000. But that will the maximum will go down if the cost of all the assets you place in service in 2020 is over $2,590,000. So that the maximum will go down. So just keep that in mind. So to be able to write off the property using Section 179, you have to purchase the assets to use in your business or trade. So if you purchase a personal property from a family member to use in your business, it does not qualify you for Section 179. Therefore, you cannot write it off the cost either. So in general, the cost of a rental property or the purchase price, if that's all is into the cost and will be the basis for depreciation, it has to be depreciated. And usually you depreciate a rental property, a residential rental property, over 27.5 years. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Afiavi Ojuna Libreman, creators of Libreman Consulting LLC YouTube channel, Libreman Consulting LLC podcast, and in soap.com, our blog. We have links to IRS form and instructions, including Form 4562 depreciation amortization, publication 946 how to depreciate a property, where you will find depreciation rates table. We have links to those forms and instructions under free downloads on our blog ninasoap.com. You don't need to join our email list to access our free downloads. They are free to share with you. And we do have a category, how to depreciate a business asset, where we have all our articles related to depreciation and amortization on our blog as well. We have videos in the playlist 2020 Form 4562 depreciation and amortization on our YouTube channel, where you'll find all the topic we discuss about depreciating an asset as well. I'm Afiavi Ojone Liberman, and I thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I thank you for all your comments. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you for your time. We do have our online stores, including liberdownload.com for digital products, spreadsheet template to manage your money and your business. We have liberoutlets.com for resale products, liberlabel.com for custom apparels, and ninasoap.com for natural products. Thank you.